So today we'll be talking about Ghana's remarkable ascent in the global gold arena. As Africa's premier gold producer, Ghana is not just mining precious metal, the country is also forging a path to economic resilience and prosperity. Today we'll be delving into how the nation's gold reserves are soaring to unprecedented heights, bolstering the Ghanaian economy amidst volatile global markets, and this is an example to other African nations to follow suit. This surge is a testament to the strategic vision and resource management that is positioning Ghana as a beacon of stability on the continent. The country's gold reserves are soaring at an all-time high, revealing a brilliant strategy that's driving its economy. So stick with me till the end so as to not miss any of these juicy details. Before we delve deeper, kindly hit the like button to support this channel and also to inform others. Let's get right into this detail. Ghana's relationship with gold dates back centuries. As most of you know, it earned the country the ancient moniker of the Gold Coast, which was changed to Ghana post-independence. Long before the colonial times, the country Ghana thrived on gold trade, crafting intricate artifacts and also establishing a vast network across West Africa. This rich heritage has laid the foundation for this modern era, which is the mining operations currently ongoing. Now fast forward to this century, Ghana has emerged as a key player in the global gold arena, claiming the top spot in the entirety of Africa, as Ghana remains the largest gold producer in the entire Africa, with large-scale mines like Obuasi and Takwa becoming household names in the industry. By the early 2000s, the sector had evolved, blending foreign investment with local expertise. What is now standing out the most is Ghana's ability to adapt, turning potential setbacks into opportunities for growth. The historic resilience has been pivotal, setting the stage for the current boom, where gold isn't just extracted, it is being leveraged as a cornerstone of national wealth. Insights from economic strategies highlights how this legacy has informed today's policies, emphasizing sustainable extraction to ensure the long-term benefits for generations to come. Ghana has solidified its status as Africa's leading gold producer, outpacing neighbors with an impressive projected output of approximately 5.1 million ounces, a 6.25% increase from the previous year's record of 4.8 million. This is to tell you that Ghana is dominating on that front. It's a result of the vibrant mining ecosystem that includes major players like Newmont and Goldfields, alongside a beginning artisanal and small-scale mining sector, contributing nearly 40% of the production. The nation's geological endowments, particularly in the Western and Ashanti region, where the gold is found the most, provide fertile ground for the exploration. Now, what's fascinating the most is how Ghana has harnessed this potential, despite the global uncertainties, with gold prices soaring to around $3,400 per ounce. This is boosting the country's export earnings to over $11 billion. As the entire world's sixth largest producer, Ghana's output per square kilometer rivals even Nevada's of the United States, showcasing efficient operations and innovative techniques. This position is enhancing Ghana's influence in international forums, where it advocates for ethical mining practices. By prioritizing value addition, such as refining gold locally, Ghana is now transforming its raw resources into economic multipliers, reducing dependency on imports and fostering job creation for thousands in the country. One thing that's led to Ghana's sudden boom in gold reserves is the domestic gold purchasing program, which was launched in June 2021. It represents a masterstroke in Ghana's economic playbook. It was spearheaded by the Bank of Ghana, and this initiative has aimed to acquire gold directly from the local miners, paying in cedi to build up the national reserves. The program's brilliance lies in its dual purpose, augmenting foreign exchange holdings while supporting the domestic economy, and by committing to purchasing a portion of outputs from large-scale mines up to 20% from 9 key companies, as well as integrating small-scale producers. It is formalizing the sector, promoting traceability, and curbs illegal exploitation. Over the years, this has doubled reserves faster than anticipated, with the various purchases totaling hundreds of thousands of ounces annually. Ghana is creating a cushion that insulates the economy from external shocks, meaning with the more gold the country has, any external pressures is received without any critical implications to the economy. This isn't just mere accumulation, it's a proactive defense mechanism that empowers the local miners, ensuring that they benefit directly from their labor. That's to tell you that Ghana is not just Africa's largest gold producer, it's using the gold it has to boost its economy, and in turn, the gold reserve in the country is growing to the highest it has ever been. This program is expanding and is incorporating responsible sourcing frameworks, addressing environmental and social standards to align with the global demands for sustainable gold. The numbers the country has accumulated tell a compelling story of the rapid ascent. It shows you that Ghana is keen on using the gold to its full potential. At the close of August 2020, 2025, the Bank of Ghana's gold reserves stood at an impressive 36.02 tons, making a 4.7% jump from July's 34.40 tons. This monthly gain is part of a broader trend compared to August 2024, where the country accumulated 25.97 tons. That is to show you that 36.02 tons this August 2025 to the 25.97 tons. It shows you an astronomical increase in the country's reserves. This surge in percentage is 38.7% year on year. Delving deeper into this, the country's trajectory since May 2023 is even more striking, from a modest 8.78 tons to the current peak, representing over fourfold increase in just 2 years. Each ton that is added reflects meticulous planning and execution under the purchase program. Monthly increments such as the 4.09% rise, which was seen earlier in the year, demonstrates consistent momentum. What is insightful about this is that Ghana is using its gold to the full potential of the country, stabilizing the cedi via our natural resources, what didn't used to be the case back then. This strategy is synchronizing with global gold trends. As prices climb, the value of these reserves are amplified, now exceeding billions in dollar terms. This is an exciting development in showing that the country is utilizing its gold to its full potential, and this is very profound for the economy and the nation. It shows that the country is deepening its pockets, and this sudden spike in the country's finances would be felt in infrastructural projects as well as developments that affect the citizens in the grassroots. The accumulation of gold isn't an isolated incident. It is intertwined with the broader reserve strategies, which is pushing Ghana's international holdings to cover 6 months of imports. Such progress underscores a brilliant pivot towards asset diversification. The country's gold is protecting the country in terms of economic turbulence, and the value of gold is also appreciating, providing a counterbalance to the currency pressures. This has enabled the Bank of Ghana to intervene more effectively in the foreign markets, stabilizing the cedi and making moves to recover the economy. And this is all thanks to the spike in gold reserves, which would be insane that Ghana is not taking advantage of this because it is Africa's largest gold producer and should have taken advantage of this years ago. But it is better now rather than later. The country is taking advantage of its gold reserves, and it's splendid to watch. The gold reserves are reaching an all-time high, and the sky is the limit. As Ghana is Africa's top producer, it is more than a milestone. It is a blueprint for resource-driven development. From Ghana having historic roots to now strategically planning with the country's gold, this journey showcases ingenuity and foresight. As the country's gold reserve is fortifying the economy, it is also stabilizing the cedi and fueling growth. Ghana is now standing as an inspiration for the continent, utilizing its natural resources to safeguard its economy and not just exporting it for next to nothing. Share your thoughts on the expansive trajectory of Ghana's gold reserves as the country is proving why it is Africa's top gold producer. Let me know your thoughts if you think this is commendable or you have other insights on the matter. Be sure to hit the like button to support this channel and also inform others on Ghana's developments, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Turn on the post notification bell to stay updated anytime I post. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.